Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, brilliant learners. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we make learning engaging and inspiring. Today we are diving into the collaborative features of MS Word, specifically track changes and comments. These tools are essential for editing and reviewing documents efficiently. Ready to enhance your collaborative skills? Let's get started. First of all, section number 1, Introduction to Track Changes. What are track changes? Track changes is a powerful feature that allows you to see edits made by different users. This is especially useful in collaborative environments where multiple people are working on the same document. To enable track changes, go to the Review tab and click Track Changes. Once enabled, only changes you make to the document will be highlighted. Type the text introduction of track changes. If you want to delete something, click on backspace. You will notice that any text you add will be underlined and any deletions will be marked with a strike through. This makes it easy to see what has been changed. Section number 2, Viewing and Managing Changes. How to view and managing changes? Once changes are made, you can review them easily. Go to the Review tab and use the Next button. To accept or reject a change, click on the change and then click Accept or Reject. Accept it. This makes it easy to manage and finalize the edits made by different contributors. Section number 3, Using Comments. What are comments? Comments are another useful tool for collaboration. They allow you to leave notes or feedback without altering the actual text. How to add comments? To add a comment, go to the Review tab and click New Comment. A comment box will appear where you can type your feedback. Introduction. Comments are displayed in the margin and are linked to the highlighted text. This makes it easy to see what the comment refers to. Section number 4, Managing Comments. How to navigate through comments? You can navigate through comments using the previous and next buttons in the comments. To delete a comment, click on the comment and click Delete. This helps keep the document clean and focused once feedback has been addressed. Section number 5, Customizing Track Changes. How to customize track changes? You can customize how track changes appear in your document. Go to the Review tab, click the drop down arrow next to track changes and select Advanced Track Options. Here you can customize the colors and formatting used for insertions, deletions, and other changes. Customizing the appearance can help make the changes more noticeable and easier to manage. Section number 6, printing documents with track changes and comments. If you need to print a document with track changes and comments, go to the File tab and select Print. In the print setting, make sure to choose Print Markup to include the changes and comments in the printout. This ensures that all the edits and feedback are visible in the printed version. Section number 7, reviewing tools and finalizing the document. How to finalize the document? Once you have reviewed all changes and comments, you can finalize the document, accept or reject all changes, reject all changes, and delete any remaining comments and turn off track changes. To turn off track changes, go to the Review tab and click Track Changes again. These changes will no longer be highlighted and you can continue editing the document normally. Finalizing the document ensures it's clean and ready for distribution. Let's wrap up our today's lecture on track changes and comments in MS Word. These tools are invaluable for collaborating on documents and ensuring all feedback and updates are clearly visible. Practice these skills to become an expert in document collaboration. Thank you everyone and Allah Hafiz.